Step by step, finish the journey. Sentence by sentence, master a language.
Agree and approve.
Hey, you look tired.
Yeah, it just ended.
How was your meeting today?
It was good. The manager agreed to my budget request.
Not quite. You should say, he approved your budget request.
Oh, really? I thought agree and approve were the same.
They're different. You agree with an idea or an opinion. You approve a request or a plan officially.
I see. Then, the team approved his opinion, right?
Careful again. You agree with an opinion.
So, what about approve?
Approve. You approve a proposal, a budget, or a document.
So, I agree with his idea, but the manager approved the budget. Is that correct?
Yes, that's exactly how it works.
Let me try again. Everyone agreed with the plan, and the director finally approved it.
That's perfect. Now you really understand the difference.
Summarize. Agree. Agree means to have the same opinion as someone else. Examples. I agree with you. She agrees with his idea. We all agree on this point. Approve. Approve means to officially allow something, not just to agree with it. Examples. The manager approved the budget. My leave request was approved. The plan was approved yesterday.
Let's practice.
That's enough for approve and agree in this part. Here's your sentence to practice. You may agree with it, but your life doesn't allow you to approve it.